Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Learn French with Yogeeta. We have already learned l'accent aigu et l'accent grave. Also, we have studied l'accent cédé. Now it's the turn of l'accent circonflexe. Now, this is a little hat on all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now, you will say, what is the use of this accent? Now, this accent is included in French because earlier in Old French it replaced S and the pronunciation is same. Let's have a look at the examples. Être, to be, un hôtel, un hôtel. You can see in place of O earlier in Old French it was S. So they have removed the S and they have placed l'accent circonflexe on O. Un hôtel, une forêt, un âne, un hôpital, une fenêtre, un goût, un château. Now you can see in the brackets in place of l'accent circonflexe in Old French it used to be S, right? Une fête, that's a festival or a party. Une pâte, pasta. Un mast, that's a mast of a boat. Maître, that is a master. So now you are clear with this accent also. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.